Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send GIFs on the comments on Instagram. So let's begin. So first let's open our Instagram app, and here we are, and you want to go into the post that you want to comment on. So in my case, let's say I'll just be going for this basketball post right here. So I want to tap on the comment icon right here. So it's just beside the heart button. So you want to tap on it and you would be here in the comments. And from here, you could actually have the GIF icon right here at the bottom. So when you, let's type something, and you can see the GIF icon right here at the right side of your screen. So you just want to tap on that. Let's go back. Let's tap on the GIF icon right here. So tap on it, and you would see all the GIFs right here. So you could just basically tap on any one of them, or you could just search for GIF. So if you're looking for a specific GIF, like maybe let's go for a board face, just like that, and you would see all the board faces and GIFs right here. So select what you want. So for example, I want this one. I want to tap on this GIF and tap, and as you can see, it has now been commented right here, and the comment will be added when you're connected. And yeah, that's just because I don't have any internet in my case. So once you're done with that, then you could already see it in the comments that you have sent that GIF. But if you're not seeing the GIF icon right here beside your comment right here, so if you're not seeing it, then what I recommend you to do is go into your Play Store, or if you're in iOS, then you can go into your App Store and you want to go search for Instagram. And you want to make sure that your Instagram is updated. So if you have the update button just like mine, then you want to tap on update so that your Instagram will be updated. And if you have already updated your Instagram and it's still not working, you can still see it, then what I can only give you, the answer for that maybe is that your OS or your operating system in your phone is outdated. And that's basically it
If you
for
found
this
this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.